Can't believe that fall is here and the summer has gone by so fast for us because we stayed so busy. So with everything else that was going on, and like I said, we've been staying really busy. Hey everyone, this is going to be like a little update video. We've been super busy and kind of let you know what's going on at Tanya's place. Welcome back, by the way, and thank you for hanging in there with me. And I'm going to show you all a little bit what we've been up to, because that's one reason I haven't been able to make any videos. But I do have a big list that I want to do for my channel, so I just didn't have much time to. But let me show you what we've been up to. So this is the reason why I was not able to make any videos. We have built the base for our cabin, so we put a whole bunch of boards and posts and everything up, and we put the floor down, but you can't really see right now because we have it covered with a tarp to protect it from the weather. So yeah, this is what we've been doing. We have been doing, and moving a lot of dirt, like you can tell, and then a lot of dirt. I'm just going to go in a circle to show y'all what we've been up to. So the base for the cabin is put in fast decay, so there ain't going anywhere, since we are strong believers in fast decay. And the cabin we're going to be putting up here very soon. Shortly, we're going to have some help put it up, because I'm making sure we're doing it right. So I'm looking forward to that. And like I said, this has been a job. Let me show you under here real quick. These are a lot of posts. We dug holes for every one of them, put them in, and then put all those boards in between, and then we put the flooring down. So it was a big job, but something to look forward to, because there is a light at the end of the tunnel. And I'm excited to say that we're going to be having a cabin here very soon. But yes, so I apologize for not putting any videos out. I have been putting out shorts though, and to kind of give you a little bit update what's going on. But with here working all the time, from early morning to night, it's just been very time consuming. And Gizmo was with us every step of the moment, don't you, Gizmo? You've been working hard too, haven't you? Yeah. So my plans are at the other house right now is to work on my chicken area, and also get it winterized, because cold weather is going to be here soon. So I'm going to have to get some things done. But I have some other plans before I can do that, and I will make a video about that. Now hopefully y'all enjoy that video also. The garden is done for this year, because I just don't have extra time to work in the fall garden. Plus I got so much harvest out of my garden that I don't need anything else anymore right now until next year, hopefully. The greenhouse is still pretty much standby. Lots of weeds are growing in there though, so stuff is growing in there, just not what I was hoping to. With it started getting cooler, it would be easier to work in the greenhouse, because it was just too hot to work in there. We're still planning putting a little bit more concrete in there, so our plans have changed a little bit. But overall, it's going to be nice if I get it all done the way I see it in my mind, and hopefully it will. And it will be really nice. And I want to bring y'all with you when I'm all doing all the stuff. So, but right now, like I said, we'll focus on the cabin, get that done, get it in the dry, and then I have a little more time. But the chicken videos are coming up if you are interested in the chicken videos. And Brownie is doing great. She's doing much better. I have given away 8 roosters that I thought they were going to be girls. So my experience totally failed. So, hey, it's all good. They all found good homes though, so I was really happy about that. But yeah, the girls are doing great though. Merlin is doing great with the baby kittens that we adopted. And they're such a snuggle bugs. I mean, really, they are. They are they are sleeping with us, and pretty much every time we're at the house, they're with us all the time. So that's a great thing because Merlin is his own kitty, and he's just like, I'm going to come to you when I want to. Little caterpillar. Can you see it? It's floating away. So this is just, like I said, a little update video. Um, what's going on here at Tanya's place. And I also wanted to again welcome everybody to my channel again who's new. And thank y'all for hanging in there with me. And I'll try my best to get some more videos out. And if you have any questions about chickens and stuff like that, or other things, just let me know. I'll be more than happy to, to answer them if I can. Also, tractor show is coming up in October, so we'll be at the Louisville, Kentucky tractor show. So I hope to see some of y'all there. If y'all want to see the build of the cabin, go check out Tony's Tractors Adventure. And that will show you what we've been up to, and that's what I've been doing too, to helping him, build a cabin. So if you want to see more details about the cabin, go check it out, okay? I'll see y'all then. Life goes on and doesn't stop, and we're just going to keep going. I hope to see y'all next video. God bless y'all. See you soon. Bye. Persimmons. I can't say that word. Y'all know what I mean.
And that